In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Siteground. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate to your dashboard, open the websites area, start a new site, and complete the website details so Siteground can set everything up for you. First, head to My Siteground. Open your browser and go to the Siteground customer area. If you're prompted to sign in, do that and you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for hosting, websites, and tools. A quick tip here. Bookmark the dashboard so you can get back to it fast whenever you need to manage your site. Next, click on Websites. You'll usually find it in the top navigation or the left-hand menu. This page lists all of your existing sites and gives you quick access to management options like backups, staging, and security. If you have several projects, use the search or filters to keep things tidy. Even if this is your first site, it's helpful to know this is where new websites will appear once they're created. Now click on New Website. This opens Siteground's setup flow. Think of it as a guided wizard that creates the foundation for your project. It's designed to be straightforward, so don't worry if you're new to this. Each screen walks you through what's needed. You're not committing to anything irreversible yet, you're just stepping into the creation process. From here, you'll land on Website Details. This is where you provide the core information for your new site, so take a moment to get it right. You'll typically choose the domain you want to use, either a domain you already own and have available in your account, a new domain you plan to register, or a temporary domain if you want to start building before your permanent domain is connected. If your final domain isn't ready or DNS hasn't been pointed yet, a temporary domain is a great way to get moving without delays. You may also be prompted to select what kind of site you're creating, such as a WordPress site or a blank site with no application pre-installed. If you're planning a blog or a business site, WordPress is a popular and flexible choice. Look for options to enable a free SSL certificate so your site loads securely over HTTPS, and consider keeping performance and security tools turned on to improve speed and protection from day one. Review your selections carefully. When everything looks correct, proceed with the on-screen confirmation. SiteGround will provision your hosting space and apply your choices. After a short wait, your new site will appear in the websites list, ready for you to manage and customize.